Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important data structures in Python, arrays. If you're new to programming or just starting to learn Python, you might be wondering what an array is and how it's used. Don't worry, we'll explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. In Python, an array is a collection of elements of the same data type. The elements are stored in contiguous memory locations, making it easy to access and manipulate them. Let's take a look at an example. Say we want to store a list of numbers in an array. We can create an array using the array function from the array module. In this example, we import the array module and use the array function to create an array of integers. We pass the data type, I, as the first argument, which indicates that the array will store integers. We then pass a list of numbers as the second argument to initialize the array. We can access the elements of the array using their index. The index starts at 0, so the first element has an index of 0, the second element has an index of 1, and so on. We can also use slicing to access a range of elements. Arrays are very useful for storing and manipulating large amounts of data, especially when the data is of the same type. They can also be used to improve the performance of your code, as accessing elements in an array is typically faster than accessing elements in a list. So that's a quick overview of arrays in Python. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!